Traveling, especially by air, has become an integral part of modern life. Whether it's for business or pleasure, being a jet setter comes with a unique set of needs and challenges. Having the right gear can make all the difference, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable journey. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the ultimate travel gear for jet setters to enhance comfort, convenience, and efficiency during your travels. Choosing the right luggage is the foundation of stress-free travel. For jet setters, a travel backpack with multiple compartments or a well-organized carry-on suitcase is essential. Look for durability, ample storage, and easy maneuverability. Opt for carry-on size to avoid check-in delays and potential baggage fees. Packing efficiently is a skill that can save space and keep your belongings organized. Packing cubes and compression bags help maximize space and keep similar items together. They also allow for easy access and keep your suitcase or backpack neat and tidy throughout your journey. Long flights or layovers often require some rest. A comfortable travel pillow and a compact blanket can make all the difference in getting quality rest during your journey. Look for memory foam or inflatable travel pillows that provide adequate neck support. Similarly, opt for lightweight, cozy blankets that fold easily for storage. Jetsetters often face noisy airport terminals and crowded flights. Invest in a good pair of noise-canceling headphones to enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or movies without distractions. They can also provide a peaceful atmosphere for relaxation or work, making your travel experience more enjoyable. Staying connected is crucial for jet setters, making a portable power bank a must-have. Ensure it has sufficient capacity to recharge your devices on the go. Additionally, carry a set of travel adapters to ensure your electronics can be used in different countries, as power outlets vary worldwide. Tangled cables and misplaced chargers can be frustrating. An electronic organizer with compartments for cables, chargers, and small electronic devices keeps everything neat and easily accessible. This saves time and prevents the risk of leaving crucial accessories behind. Staying hydrated while traveling is essential. Pack a collapsible water bottle that can be easily filled after passing security checks. Also, bring reusable utensils like a spork or chopsticks to minimize single-use plastic waste and be prepared for meals on the go. A compact toiletry kit with travel-sized containers for shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and other essentials is a must. Make sure it complies with airport security regulations and is leak-proof to prevent any mess in your luggage. Invest in versatile travel shoes that are comfortable for walking, yet suitable for different occasions. Shoes that are lightweight, easy to pack, and suitable for various activities, whether exploring a new city or attending a business meeting, can make a big difference in your travel experience. Keep your travel documents, passport, boarding passes, and essential cards in one secure and easily accessible place. A travel wallet or passport holder with RFID protection adds an extra layer of security for your sensitive information. Unexpected minor injuries or ailments can happen during your travels. A compact first aid kit with essential supplies like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any necessary medications ensures you are prepared for minor medical issues while on the move. For avid readers, carrying an e-reader or tablet with a collection of books is a great way to pass the time during flights or layovers. They are lightweight and save space compared to carrying physical books. For reliable internet access wherever you go, consider investing in a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. This device allows you to connect multiple devices and ensures you have a stable internet connection for work, communication, and browsing. If your travels are lengthy, a travel-sized laundry kit can be a lifesaver. It allows you to do laundry on the go, minimizing the number of clothes you need to pack. Capture the essence of your journey by keeping a travel journal. Write down your experiences, thoughts, and memories, and perhaps even sketch or attach mementos like tickets or postcards. Don't forget to pack a few pens for this purpose. A compact, quick-drying, and highly absorbent travel towel can be incredibly useful. Whether for the beach, a workout, or a sudden rain shower, having a quality travel towel ensures you stay dry and comfortable. Protecting yourself from the sun is vital during travels. Pack a good pair of sunglasses, a hat to shield your face, and sunscreen to prevent sunburns and skin damage. A small sewing kit can be a lifesaver in case of clothing mishaps. It allows you to quickly fix a loose button or a minor tear, extending the life of your clothes during the trip. Always carry a small amount of emergency cash in a hidden wallet or pouch. This extra stash can be useful in unexpected situations, such as lost or stolen belongings. These versatile items have countless uses. From repairing a bag to securing loose items, having duct tape and zip ties in your travel kit can save the day in unforeseen circumstances. Being a jet setter means being prepared for anything your travels throw your way. The right travel gear can enhance your experience, providing convenience, comfort, and peace of mind. Invest in high-quality, versatile items that suit your needs and style to ensure a seamless and enjoyable journey wherever your adventures take you. Safe travels.